Home is where the heart is, along with your toothbrush and socks. So, slower, yes? Okay. Home. Just put your fingers together, touch them to your thumb, touch the same side of your jaw right here, and then move it back along towards your ear. Home. Just tap and tap. Home. Home. Is. See the I and the S? Is. You just move it forward. Is. Your palm is facing the opposite side. Is. Where. Just take your finger and shake it side to side. Where? 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 The heart. So take your 5 hand, move your second finger forward, and tap that on your heart, or on your left side, right up here, twice. Heart, heart, heart. Is. I-N-S. Is. Along. Along. So we have long, and the A prefix just goes in the opposite direction of the sign it's attached to. So here's long, so it's going towards the side of the same side. You're going to go opposite for a moment with an A hand. Along, along, along. With. A hands. With. Your toothbrush. Point to a tooth right here, tooth, and then brush, bring it down to your toothbrush. 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 And open your hand up and then close it as you bring it to the same side. And socks. Socks. So your one hands, and you point them out and down, and you brush them against each other a couple of times. So sock, sock, socks, socks. So it looks like this. Home is where the heart is, along with your toothbrush and socks. Or, home is where the heart is, along with your toothbrush and socks.